Happy morning, all of you. I am Professor Anand Kumar Das. As I promised, I have started already making video on UPSC, IS, PSC interview series for 2022. That is projected, expected questions, most probable questions. And for last 11 years, when after CSAT has been introduced in civil service examination, after that for last 10 years, okay, the question pattern has got changed in interview, and they are asking several questions from personality development, soft skills, creativity, out of box thinking, high order thinking skill question, along with the spell technique, as I told you all: social, political, economical, legal, technological, ethical, ecological, environmental also. Now, in continuation with that, I have already uploaded 3 videos related to UPSC series, interview series. Okay, this will be the fourth question. English should be the national language of India. I have already made one video on this, okay, why Hindi cannot be the national language of India. Now, in civil service interview, they ask the question in reverse order. Okay, it's very simple, but definitely as an IS officer, you are supposed to take several decisions. Once you will be the IS officer, IPS officer, or IFS officer, IRS officer. Okay, so when this question or this type of decision making comes before you, you are supposed to take decision immediately. Okay, and with very cool mind. English should be the national language of India. And as we know, the history of English is very simple. There are two criteria. As I told in the third video also, when question was um, cricket should be the national game of India, then I told you what are the criteria. Under this also there are criteria, okay, to become national language of India. And there are only two criteria. The very first thing which we are supposed to take into consideration, the origin. Origin of English is United Kingdom, England, British people, okay. And if any country already having their national language as an English, then you cannot introduce, you cannot implement that particular language in your country as a national language. It's the same also, shocking also. Okay, it means we are we are not considering our country as a democratic country, or we are simply following the same pattern, same rule which others are following. It means we don't have any independent decision maker in this country who are not in a position to take any decision on that. Okay, it's really after 75 years, even if we don't have any national language, national game in this country, it's a really surprise also, shocking also, shame also. Okay, that's, I will just tell you all how to answer. You're supposed to tell in the interview. With due respect, sir, please allow me to comment on this topic. And there are certain criteria to be fixed for any national language, any national game. And under the national language part, only two part is taken into consideration. First, origin. If origin is, as we know, origin of English is in England, that is by the British people, definitely that particular language cannot be introduced in India. Hindi, that is from India only, and other languages from India, that is the origin of India. So these two things can be taken into consideration. And the most important part, criteria to become national language, majority speaking. What is the percentage of people speaking that particular language in that particular country? And you will be surprised to know that in India only 10.6% people are speaking, huh? It's not necessary reading and writing also. Speaking is totally different from reading and writing. Always remember. So 10.6% person in India is speaking. It's a better than actually US population, UK population also. But in India it's only 10.6%. And Hindi, almost 57.1% people are speaking Hindi in India. 57.1%. Okay, and other languages percentage are: Bengali is speaking are spoken by 8.9%, Marathi 8.2%, Telugu 7.8%, Tamil 6.3%, Urdu 5.2%, and Gujarati 5.0%. If you will go through the all over world figure statics, very simple. If any particular language is spoken by that particular people living in that community, at least it should be minimum 10%. Only then they can be considered. They may take into consideration. They may give them priority wise, whether it's a first, second, third. But under this category, only Hindi has got more than almost 57.1%, and now it's very rich, widespread in this country. Everything is available in Hindi, though official language of India is English also, along with the Hindi. and there are several languages in this country. But if particular language is not spoken by even 10% people, then how you can make that particular language as a national language? National language is majority of the population. If able to read, write, speak that particular language or any language, that language should be considered as a national language of India. So I think, in my consideration, as far as my knowledge is concerned, or as far as my, as a matter of fact, which we have studied during these 2 years of preparation, we came to know that like this you are supposed to answer, Hindi should be the national language of India. That's it. On the basis of data and fact. On the basis of data and fact, Hindi should be the national language of India. So thank you so much. May God bless you. The happy beginning. Don't forget to subscribe my video so that you will be getting notification, and like, subscribe, and forward this with your all family, friends and ever. Once again, thank you so much.